Yep.
Wheel speed.
Come forward. Try to send the rear roll. Try to set your back that way. You were close.
Is that control supposed to look like that?
Yeah, so they run flat.
Going the wrong way up that trail.
I know, yeah. What do you think that thing was? He knows them.
They're about 2,000. And that probably makes like 20 to the crank. Not 20 to the crank. Do it again! Slowly come up. Hey, come up and try to set your rear end that way. Straight back. Keep going, a little more. Yep. Hit it. Send it. You wrote the same axle I did. Hey, you're breaking, guys.
Either wheels are spinning.
Let's go!
Two-wheel drive.
I'm going down to get it.
Hey, left on your stickers in